Lose the lag and get your car's zip back. If you are dealing with rough idling, poor gas mileage, or an engine that hesitates, your spark plugs are likely fouled. Ignoring old plugs causes engine misfires that can ruin your catalytic converter. Rio's Extraction Services and Repairs provides quick spark plug replacement to restore your power and save you money at the pump. Call 574-514-3999 or visit 1510 Calvert, South Bend, Indiana. From tow to repair, Rio's has your back.